Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Landmoto Vast. Now this is a 1080p night vision safe driving assistant. Now you can pick this up from landmoto.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $500. Now look, I live in New York City, so it's never really that dark, but a lot of y'all live in the country or more rural areas, and if you're driving around when it's pitch dark outside, this is something that you might want to get for your safety. Now I know what you're gonna say, $500, that's pretty expensive, but so is crashing your car. All right, so let's go through the features real quick. You got a full color display with 1080p resolution. Now you got a 36-degree vision angle. This features active infrared light magnification technology. It works in 99% of cars with easy installation. All right, so let's check this out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my
calm down. All right, here we go. Landmoto Vast Night Vision Safe Driving Assistant. Drive safely at night. Okay, let me grab a little unboxing knife. Got the tiger tooth on deck. Wow. Now, like I said, I don't really need this, but I think it's gonna look cool on my dash. Having a little night vision camera, pretty sick. Not to mention, you never know, you might be driving around in the parking lot at night, who knows? Okay, so let's see what you get. Now for $500, let's see how this presentation is. Got your usual books and shit. All right, we'll plug them and file them. This is gonna be your suction, actually for your dash, all right, sticky pad. Now, you see got that sticky material. I'm not gonna open this yet because I'm gonna put it on my dash, but you can also mount this on your windshield if you want. Let's see, now this is gonna be your camera. Let's see how this looks. Okay, full color display, camera on the back, HD 1080p. Okay, you got your cable right here. Don't worry, we'll figure all this stuff out. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. Now this is going to be all your accessories. Okay, I know. Okay. Now this is going to go into the suction, into the sticky mount, like this, if you want to put it on your dash. But it also comes with the clips. Let's see, now you can also put this directly to your car's onboard computer, but it does come with the cigarette lighter charger. Got some cables if you want to hardwire it. Comes with a little screwdriver. This looks like a separate fuse. And that's pretty much it. Okay, here we go. I was about to say, I thought I had a windshield mount. This is your windshield mount. Now, personally, I think this might be a little bit too big to mount on my windshield. But if you're using this for night vision, then you don't want to have it too low where you got to look away from the road. So you might want to mount this if you're going to actually look at it while you're driving, as opposed to me just having it looking cool. All right, so anyway, let me set this up and see what it looks like. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so I got this all set up. And like I said, if you're going to mount this on your windshield, use the suction. If you're going to put it on your dash, add the stand to the bottom, put on a little sticky pad, and you're good to go. Now I'm going to plug this right into my OBD and rock out. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Now the rest of this video is going to be shot on a cell phone. All right, so I got it all set up. This is what it's going to look like in the daytime. All right, so now let's see what it looks like at night. All right, so this is what it's going to look like at nighttime. Now you see how dark it is outside? I got my headlights off. Take a look at my dash cam and look at the night vision. This is incredible. Now the video might not do it justice, but I literally can't see anything in front of my car right now. But if I look at the night vision, everything is crystal clear. This is so sick. Now let me turn my headlights on. But look with the headlights off. Imagine if there was a dog or a big pothole right in front of me. I wouldn't be able to see it right now, but you can clearly see it with the night vision on. Now I know what you're saying. What about when you're driving around? Is that thing going to be vibrating and shaking around on your dash? Let's find out. Look at that. So I'm driving around on the highway, hitting all these bumps, and it's not shaking around or moving at all. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, this night vision camera is a major go. Now, if you're driving around on dark, deserted streets, or you like me, and you like sitting in your car in the middle of the night, and you don't want nobody to sneak up on you, this is something that you definitely want to check out. Now, it's a little bit expensive, but you can't put a price on safety. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one.